Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a clock widget on your Windows 11. And I will show you this as quick as possible. Alright, first of all, go to your Google Chrome and search for rain meter and make sure that you click on the first link and then download this rain meter. Now, here is the exe file, and if you click on that, we can download it by clicking on OK, do the standard installation next, and then do install. Click on yes, and now he will install rain meter. Click here on finish. Then from now you see here a lot of settings, and we can remove this by clicking on the right mouse and do unload skin. And we can do this for everything on our desktop, so do this for here, for this, and for this. Then we go back on Google and go to rain meter skins. From here we click on rain meter clocks. And then from here we can choose the clock that we want to use. Now, for example, let's use the simplistic clock. So click on that, make sure that you download it, just right here. And when this is done, click on it, and then make sure that this is advanced, and then click on install. Right now we click this away, and we click here on this arrow on our taskbar. And then here you see a little raindrop, so click here on this, and then you get this system or manage rain meter where you can add the clock. So now we click on simplistic clock. Then it depends on your background. Now my background is light, so I want the dark one, and click on dark and then do load. And right now he's loading it just right here. Now if we select everything just right here, we can hold the clock or click and hold the clock, and then we can place it where we want. Now here you have a lot of options how you can change your clock. So keep an eye on that and change what you like. But this is how you can add a clock widget in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.